Packing tips. Summer travel. How to pack light for a summer trip. Tips for packing efficiently for a summer holiday. Hey everyone. Welcome back to Travel Gist, where I share the best travel tips and tricks to make your adventures unforgettable. Today, we're diving into one of the most crucial aspects of travel: how to pack light for a summer trip. Whether you're heading to the sunny beaches of Greece or exploring the vibrant streets of Tokyo, these tips will help you pack efficiently and stylishly. Let's get started. Sustainable fashion. First things first, let's talk about the benefits of packing light. Did you know that traveling light can save you money on baggage fees, reduce stress, and even make you more mobile and flexible? Plus, it's eco-friendly. Less weight means less fuel consumption for planes, trains, and automobiles. A packing list. Here's a pro tip: start with a packing list. It's easy to get carried away, but a list helps you focus on the essentials. Now, let's break down the list. 1. Versatile clothing. Pack items that can be mixed and matched. Think of neutral colors and lightweight fabrics. Fun fact: merino wool is a traveler's best friend. It's breathable, odor-resistant, and dries quickly. 2. Layering. Even in summer, weather can be unpredictable. Bring a light jacket or a versatile shawl. Did you know that in some destinations, like San Francisco, the temperature can drop significantly in the evening? 3. Footwear. Stick to 2 pairs of shoes, a comfortable pair for walking and a dressier option for evenings. Pro tip: wear the bulkier pair while traveling to save space in your bag. Demonstrating rolling clothes. Let's move on to packing techniques. Rolling your clothes is a game changer. It not only saves space but also reduces wrinkles. And here's a secret: use packing cubes. They keep your bag organized and make it easy to find what you need without unpacking everything. Travel-sized toiletries. Now, toiletries. Invest in travel-sized bottles and solid toiletries like shampoo bars and soap. They're space savers and help you breeze through airport security. Fun fact: solid toiletries are a zero-waste alternative, which is fantastic for our planet. Packing electronic gadgets can be tricky. Limit yourself to the essentials and don't forget universal adapters. Here's a cool idea: download maps and travel guides offline. This way, you don't have to rely on Wi-Fi, and it saves you from carrying extra guidebooks. A small backpack. Last but not least, always leave some space for souvenirs. And remember, the lighter your bag, the more freedom you have to explore without being weighed down. And there you have it. Packing light doesn't mean compromising style or comfort. With these tips, you'll be a packing pro in no time. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more travel hacks.